watched the chamber on a winter night, red, white, and blue in the TV light. The speaker called the house to stand, to hear the heartbeat of the land. But when the words rang sharp and true, protect our own, the many, the few, some stayed seated, cold as stone, while the duty of a house was overthrown. You'd laugh at the gall, at the crooked display. If it wasn't your country, they're throwing away. I used to wear that donkey's sign, thought we walked the same straight line, but they're trading our borders for a seat at the feast, while the media's busy feeding the beast. The teleprompter's glowing with a corporate lie, and they expect us to watch with a straight drive. It's not funny, it's politics. It's a shell game trick with 1,000 sticks. They sell out the home front to the highest bid, then hide the receipt like a guilty kid. America first, no, we're last in line, blurred by a radical, greedy design. Don't tell me a joke, don't give me a fix. It's not funny, it's politics. They talk of walls like they're built of hate, but they've got a lock on their own front gate. A nation's no different, plain and clear. Without a border, there's only fear. Sanctuary signs on the city halls, while the agents answer the desperate calls. The anchor's got a script that was bought and paid to keep us all blinded, while the nation is frayed. Six figures on the public roll, but he's got a yacht and a heart of coal. He enters the Capitol with a modest name, but leaves with a fortune in a hall of fame. How's a public servant on a fixed rate pay, buying out in the States? At the end of the day, they're trading on secrets, they're hedging the bet, while the rest of us drown in a mountain of debt. They promise a bridge while they're burning the road. They leave us the bill and they leave us the load. They're saving the world from a private jet. They haven't met a tax that they haven't spent yet. It's a blind trust set up that's clear as glass, a gold-plated future for the ruling class. It's not about service, it's about the take, while the heart of the country is starting to break. It's not funny,
it's politics.
It's a shell game trick with 1,000 sticks. They sell out the home front to the highest bid, then hide the receipt like a guilty kid. America first, no, we're last in line, blurred by radical, greedy design. Don't tell me a joke, don't give me a fix. It's not funny, it's politics. I watched the chamber on a winter night, red, white, and blue in the TV light. I watched the chamber on a winter night. I watched the Democrat once in Maine, but I'm not